I'm closing it. The foundation. My surrender for love is not just my mother, my wife, my daughter, my father. It's not just limited to there. The whole universe is family. Vasudhaika Kutumbam. The whole universe is our family. I thought 6 years back, an idea struck my mind. Love all and serve all. A saying on Bhagavan Sri Sai Baba's Divya Samadhi. Let us love all. Even the Veda, Upanishad, the Quran, the Shariat, the Bible, Old and New Testament, everything says only this: love all and serve all. It had been taken as a form of LAASA, as a matter of person of blind. As a matter of person of blind, I got a thought. I'm not a politician. I'm not a rich guy. Even there is no bank balance. I have only emotional balance. I have only emotional balance. I have no bank balance. With a very sankalpa, with a very divine thought, I have started in 2013. I have founded this organization. This is not an organization. I do something, you donate something. No. We do nothing. You donate and you serve. You donate and you serve. It's not money. It's not how much you give, but how much love you put into giving. Mother Teresa said, it's not how much you give, how much love you put into giving. With this very note, I have started this. Believe it or not, in the 6 years, there are 4,000 members in 10 states across India in this Lhasa Foundation. 4,000 members. Thank you. My intention is only one. I might have born like a human being. My इंसान के जैसा birth हुआ, पर I must die like a God. मैं ईश्वर के जैसा चलना है यहाँ से. ईश्वर इंसान में एक ही फर्क है. ईश्वर सबके भला मानते हैं, मांगते हैं. सब सुख शांति से रहो. समस्त लोका समस्ता नहीं, समस्त लोकाः. Even all worlds must be so happy. With this very note, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Let everyone be so prosperous. You believe it or not, in the 6 years of time of Lhasa Foundation, we are able to protect the lives of 1,275 people. Thank you. वो जो 1200 प्लस पीपल मेरा रिश्ता नहीं है मेरा रिश्तेदार. एक रिश्ता है मेरा खून, उनका खून सिर्फ लाल रंग में है. एक रिश्ते. थैंक यू. 400 cancer patients, 300 plus children have been provided better education. 400 cancer patients have been given better treatment, and 300 plus poor and needy and most deserving, old, orphan, mental retarded, HIV patients are being fed every day. It is needed just your sacrifice of your bit. Not money. If you have a note of sacrifice, definitely you can achieve it. My dear sons, it needs just 108 rupee every month. 1 unit value is 108 rupees. Suppose your dean sir is giving 4 units every month to Lhasa Foundation. Every month. 4 into 108, 432 rupees. He is a member and he can directly donate it through Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm to organization. Even you can propose any activity. If you have been to your village, there you find a cancer patient or a poor person, poor education. One student is lacking money for education. Very bright student. You can't do anything. If you can just be the member of this organization, you can take your mobile and can dial that number 9848873108. Can you please repeat it? Repeat it me. 9848873108. Repeat it. Last time. 9848873108. why I am making you by heart. When you come across any such thing, give a phone call your dad. Let us protect them. Let us give life to them and say that, darling, we love you. You are also a human being. Caste may be differ. Our caste is humanity. Religion may be differ. Our religion is love. Language may be differ. Language is heart. God may be differ. He's everywhere. My dear sons, see, you spend a lot. You spend a lot even for outing, 500,000 every month. Request your parents when you go after your exams, please do join this organization. Just call on the number, browse on the lasafoundation.org website, become a volunteer. Just pay not only 108 rupee, but your love to protect many lives. Many lives, many lives. With these few words, I take a temporary leave from all of you, but as a matter of permanent residence, I be in your heart. Please allow me some space. Don't just be good listeners. Don't just be good talkers. Just be good implementers to implement all these things in your life. Rock the world. Make your life meaningful, joyful, and soulful. Thank you, one and all. Yeah, please, sir. Mikey, Sarg Mikey. Nana, don't cut jokes, please. Don't cut jokes, please.
Anyone like to come and speak? Any of you can come forward and speak about this organization and the message what you have got.
Anyone? Anyone?
Anybody want to speak? Please come
Nobody
forward
wants to
here.
speak?
Anybody want to speak? Please come forward and stand here.
Please come. See, shh, shh. This much of time I have dedicated for you. One or two of you must come forward to share your feedback over my message. Please. Give him good round of applause.
Anyone?
Nana, Nana, please observe silence, please. Nobody will speak. Arey, this is the first session.
Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
Hold it near.
ठीक है मेरा दोस्त ओके ओके ठीक है गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स मेरा नाम साकेत है और मैं झारखंड से आया हूँ दरअसल हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं बहुत सारे लोग आपस में दोस्ती अच्छे से करते हैं लेकिन कोई कोई रहता आपस में शेयर नहीं करते ठीक से किसी को हाथ चोट पहुँचाते हैं बहुत कोई पूरा इंसल्ट करते हैं बहुत कोई उसका बेइज्जती भी करते हैं जैसा मैं जानता बहुत कोई देखा हूँ एक मेरा दोस्त है बहुत कोई उसको एकदम पूरा बेइज्जती करके छोड़ा है और मैं उसको देखा भी हूँ फीलिंग भी समझा भी उसका और मैं दिल से कह रहा हूँ अपना इंसानियत समझ रहा हूँ हम लोग इंसान हैं ना तो कोई जानवर हम लोग इंसानियत बनाना चाहते हैं इंसानियत बनाने के लिए आपस में दूसरे का दुख ही शेयर करना चाहिए। दुख शेयर करना है और आपस में उसका फीलिंग भी शेयर करना है, तभी अच्छा इंसानियत समझेंगे, नहीं तो फिर इंसान नहीं होंगे।
How did you feel?
बस शेयरिंग लाइक हम उसको शेयर करने के लिए, जैसा कहीं पे वो किसी तकलीफ़ में पड़ा होगा तो हमें उसका मदद करेंगे। जैसे कि कहीं बीमार हो गया तो उसको अच्छा खासा देखभाल करेंगे, पानी प्यासा रहेगा उसको पानी पिलाएंगे, बस इस तरह से।
Thank you. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Anyone else? Thank you. Thank you. Shh. Thank you. Go. Speak.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप तो हमको जानते ही होंगे, हम तो बहुत फेमस आदमी है। सुनिए, स्टार्टिंग में सर ने पूछा था ना कि हाउ आर यू, मैंने बोला था ऑसम। बताता हूँ क्यों। जब आप बोलिएगा फाइन है तो दिन कैसा जाएगा, फाइन। जब बोलिएगा ऑसम है तो जाएगा एकदम ऑसम, मतलब बोले तो बहुत बढ़िया। इसलिए मैंने ज़िंदगी में एक चीज़ सोच लिया है, कोई भी चीज़ फाइन नहीं होना चाहिए, हर चीज़ बेस्ट होना चाहिए, मतलब ऑसम होना चाहिए।
कैसा है बात, इसके बारे में बताओ।
सर समझा नहीं।
How is my talk? You tell on that.
सर ने बहुत अच्छा भी बोला, मतलब हम लोग मोटिवेट हुए, हम लोग को मतलब गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए। एक बार मैं आ रहा था तो मैंने अपना एक स्वेटर एक गरीब को दे भी दिया था, क्योंकि उस समय ठंड था बहुत और पापा ने बोला कि बेचारा ठंड में एकदम ठिठुर रहा है तो तुम दे दो। मैंने अपना दे दिया था। हमें गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए हमेशा के लिए।
थैंक यू। एक चीज 1 minute please, when you go to your homes, please subscribe to our Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel. Lhasa, okay? Thank you. Anyone? Okay. And I request sir, principal sir, to conclude. Stop.
Really, we are very thankful to Dr. Seb Bhatt, who has given a very valuable messages to us, and this message will carry a very long way in your life. Really, we are thankful to you, sir, for the message, word, the morale you have given to us, and we expect the same in coming days also. Thank you so much.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.